Ever feel like you're doing life solo? What if I told you that in 2025, the real game changer isn't grinding harder, it's building real connections? Let's talk about something that could actually change your life, your support system. Hey, welcome back to SAH RISE and Shine, your go-to spot for good vibes, personal growth, and getting stronger every day. If you're new here, hey, what's up? Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you are all about becoming the best version of you. Today, we're diving into something that is honestly a total life hack. The power of connection, how to build a strong support system in 2025. Let's be real, life can feel like a lot, but you're not meant to handle it all on your own. By the end of this video, you will have the tools to build your own crew, the kind that lifts you up when things get tough. Let's jump in. Why having a support system matters, alright? Let's talk about the why behind all this. Why is it even important to have a support system? Here's the thing, we're built for connection. Even if you're super independent or more on the introverted side, having people in your corner makes a huge difference. When you're running on empty, they refill your emotional tank. When life throws curveballs like a job change, a health scare, or just a really bad day, they've got your back. And it is not just feel-good stuff. Science says people with strong relationships actually live longer and feel happier. Bottom line. Connection isn't just nice to have, it's essential. Figuring out what you need. Let's focus on you for a sec before you start texting everyone you know. Take a breath and ask yourself, what kind of support do I really need? There are three main types. Emotional support, someone you can cry with, laugh with, or just be real around. Practical support, the friend who helps you move, brings you soup when you're sick, or watches your kid for an hour. Informational support, that person who always knows just the right podcast, article, or advice. Quick pause, take a few seconds and think, where's the gap for you? Do you have someone great at giving advice but who is never around when you need to talk? Or are you the one always giving but never getting? Knowing what's missing helps you build smarter, not just throw spaghetti at the wall. How to start building real connections, okay? Time to build that support squad. Whether you're starting from scratch or just want to strengthen your circle, here's what helps. 1. Be open. Say yes to things. Be the one to start the convo. Get curious about people you might find more in common than you thought. 2. Water the friendships you already have. Sometimes it is not about finding new people, it is about showing up for the ones already in your life. Shoot a quick text, share a meme, set up a coffee catch up. Doesn't have to be deep, just consistent. 3. Connect through shared interests. Take a class, join a local group, volunteer somewhere you care about. Shared passions make it easier to form real bonds. Pro tip, nervous about meeting new people? Just remember, most folks feel the same. Say hi, ask a question, be yourself. How to keep relationships strong now that you're building your circle? How do you make those connections solid? 1. Speak up about what you need. No one's a mind reader. Say stuff like, hey, I've been in a weird headspace, can we talk? Or, I just need to vent, not have anything fixed. 2. Really listen. Support isn't just about talking, it's about being there when someone else needs you. Listen with your heart, not just your ears. 3. Give what you hope to get. Want loyal, caring, real friends? Show up that way for them too. That's how strong relationships grow, through mutual love and effort. These kinds of friendships don't just happen, you build them. Step by step, how to keep your support system going strong. Let's keep it real, life gets busy. People change, stuff shifts. Here's how to keep your support system working. Check in often. You don't have to talk every day, but a quick hey, thought of you text goes a long way. Stay flexible. Friendships evolve. Maybe your gym buddy is now your go-to for heart-to-hearts. That's cool, let it flow. Know when to call in the pros. Sometimes friends aren't enough, and that's not on them. Therapists, mentors, coaches, they're all valuable parts of your support system. And that's a wrap on today's episode, The Power of Connection. Creating a solid support system can seriously change your life. your mental, emotional, and even physical. Health will thank you. So get out there, reach out, check in, open up, and start building that tribe. If this video hit home, give it a like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more. And hey, tell me below, who's one person in your life you're grateful for right now? Let's do a quick recap before we go. Takeaways from today, all right? Let's break it down. Building a support system isn't about having a ton of followers or being super outgoing. It's about making real, meaningful connections. Here's what you've learned today. Knowing what kind of support you need helps you ask for it without feeling weird. Relationships take effort, but they're 100% worth it. Being vulnerable isn't a weakness, it's how real connections happen. It's okay to outgrow some people to make room for better ones. Most importantly, you're not alone. In 2025, connection is everything. It's fuel, it's medicine, it's your superpower. So here's your challenge. Text or call one person today and just say, "Hey, I appreciate you." That's the start. And if you're feeling bold, say hi to someone new, smile first. You might be exactly what they needed too. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay kind, stay connected, and as always, rise and shine. Catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want this formatted as a script PDF or need a shortened version.